Alrighty, so we got a phone charge of 41 cents for the first minute, then 32 cents per minute after that. If a particular phone call costs $2.33, how many minutes did the call last altogether, right? So there's the first minute and then there's all the other minutes. So where should we start with this? I would do that. I would take that total cost and subtract the first minute and see what we get. Because that will tell us, okay, it was 41 cents on the first minute and then it was a bunch of money on the rest, right? So let's just subtract the first minute and see what we come up with. Yep. That's 2. Becomes 1. That becomes 13. Yeah, 1.92. Yep. So it was the first minute. So we got our first minute, 0.41 cents. The rest of the minutes cost $1.92. Do we agree on that? The first minute cost 41 cents. The rest of the minutes, the second, third, fourth, fifth, we don't know how many more, but the rest of the minutes cost $1.92, right? Good. So how many minutes was the rest? That's the question. Divided by 0.32. Because it's how many 32 cents are contained in 192. You know? Because we're kind of going, okay, 0.32 times what gives 192? Is it 3 of these? Or is it maybe it might be 4? Or is it 5 or 6? Or what is it? You know what I mean? Yeah. Equals 192. Right. So just for fun, let's go 0.32 into $1.92. But I don't mind if you guys want to just guess and check. You could just multiply by a certain number of minutes and see if it works and check it. That's fine too. But we could do long division. Right. Right. So 32 and 192, what do we think? I'm going to go 3 into 9. What's 3 into 19? Just do 3 into 19. There you go. See that? Nice trick. 3 into 19. 6 is a good guess. So multiply. 6 times 2. 12, carry 1. Yep. 6 times 3, 18, right? You go this number times this number, you write it here and then you subtract. That's how you do long division, isn't it? Sure. 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 Yeah, no problem. Sounds good. But when we get that, we get remainder 0, right? Right. Yeah, right. Right. So the answer is that if we had to guess 6, and I don't mind if you, in this a problem like this, if you guys want to guess and check, because 6 times 2 is 12, carry 1, 6 times 3 is 18, 1 is 19, and put down, and then there's 2 decimal places in the multiplication, 2 in the answer. So the answer is 6 minutes. 6 minutes gives $1.92. So the first minute was 41 cents. The rest happened to be 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So this was, right. And when we add them together, it's 3, and then 3, and then 1, that's 2. So it's 2.33, right? So the first minute was 41 cents. The rest was $1.92. So how many minutes was the phone call? How many minutes did the phone call last for? Yes, 7 minutes. Good. 7 minutes. Perfect. 7 minutes is the answer. Yep.